What are the steps to getting your medical marijuana card? Florida is a beautiful place to live and retire, and you have the right to carry and consume medical marijuana, as long as you get the approval from a medical marijuana doctor and you are either a 1. Florida resident or 2. Seasonal resident for at least 30 days and no more than 365 days. If you are interested in getting your medical marijuana card, set up an appointment or walk into Miracle Leaf. In Broward County, call 954-613-8112. And in Palm Beach County, call 561-234-4460. Our physician will meet with you and determine if medical marijuana is appropriate to treat your condition. Times have changed because of the media, unemployment, police brutality, riots, politics, natural disasters, Black Lives Matter campaigns, looting, and a lot of other worldwide and local events that caused anxiety, PTSD, and stress. These are like kind conditions, and we can get you qualified under anxiety, stress, and depression. Other conditions include cancer, epilepsy, glaucoma, HIV, AIDS, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, Crohn's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis, MS, and terminal conditions. The next step is to get you into the Medical Marijuana Use Registry by their qualified physician. Once you have been entered into the registry, you will receive a patient ID number. You will need this to apply for your required Medical Marijuana Use Registry identification card. Then you can go shopping at any of the dispensaries such as MUV, Trulieve, GrowHealthy, Medman, Cetera, Fluent, and others. In Broward County you can find a doctor at 12510 Pines Boulevard, Pembroke Pines, Florida, 33027. The number is 954-613-8112. In Palm Beach County, you can find a medical marijuana doctor at 100 Sainsbury's Way, Suite 110, West Palm Beach, Florida, 33411. The number is 561-234-4460.